Hello everyone, I hope you all are well and having a great day so far. Today we are checking out a compact little gadget that I'm honestly super excited about. This is the Fanttik Slim V8, a cordless mini vacuum that packs suction, blower power and inflating ability all in one tiny body. Fanttik is a fairly new company, but they've been growing fast. And they already have a huge lineup of clever modern products. So if you've been looking for an easy way to keep your home or car clean without hauling out a big shop vac, stick around because this little vacuum might just surprise you. So before we get started on this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel down below, hit that thumbs up, and with all of that said, let's get into it. Alright, now first thing I want to say, I love handheld vacuums because they can go where bigger vacuums just can't. I use my handheld Dyson all the time for crumbs between couch cushions, dirt in the car, but it still doesn't shrink down as small as you wish it would for those tiny jobs. But this, look at it. It is the perfect size. I honestly didn't know they made them this small. And the best part is, it doesn't just come with a vacuum. It comes with a whole lineup of attachments for both vacuuming and blowing. So here's everything you get with this model. For vacuuming, you get a flexible hose, crevice nozzle, bush and a brush, multi-surface brush, great for fabric and pet hair. And this is the 2-in-1 soft and hard rubber strip brush. And now for blowing, you get a short blow nozzle, long blow nozzle, multi-function air blower, blow nozzle clean and brush, and you also get a replacement HEPA filter, little brush to clean the filter, USB-C charging cable, and lastly a storage bag. So you are basically getting a full detailing kit in one tiny baggage. You are getting tools for cracks, vents, seats, carpets, dusting, blowing, and even inflating. Now here's the real stuff, what this little thing can actually do. Now this little vacuum backs up to 19,000 BA of suction, which is kind of wild for something this small. It uses an 80,000 RPM brushless motor, so it has a strong airflow, not only for vacuuming but also for blowing and inflating. You get two cleaning mode, eco for longer cleanups and high for when you want that extra bunch. And the battery life is pretty solid. You get about 14 minutes of runtime on eco and about 13 minutes on high. And it charges with a USB-C cord, and if you use a fast charger, it can go from empty to full in about 2.5 hours, which is fantastic. And this whole thing weighs about just 1.1 pounds, so it's super lightweight. You can literally hold it with 2 fingers. And the dustbin holds 120 milliliters, and the HEPA filter inside captures about 96% of dust and particles, which is plenty for quick cleanups. And this part I really love. It is not just a vacuum, it is also a blower, an inflator, and deflator. So you can literally use it to inflate an air mattress while camping, dust your keyboard at the house, vacuum your car, and blow dust or water out of smaller crevices. All those little things you never think about until you actually start using it. Now using it is super simple. Press the power button. It starts on low with an ice blue light. Now press the speed button to switch to high. The light turns green. And when the light turns orange, that means the battery is below 15%. It is just a friendly reminder to charge it soon. Now I know the dust cup is super small, but remember, this machine is made for quick cleanups, not for full deep clean sessions. And it is clear, so you can see exactly when it needs to be emptied, which honestly makes me clean it more. And the filter system is super simple. You don't have to wash it after each use, but just like a regular vacuum, every once in a while you're gonna have to get in there and wash it under water. I'll show you guys how I clean mine when we get there. Alright, now this is the point where my house becomes a testing zone. First up, we have the coffee bar here because somehow I always end up with so much coffee grounds all over the place. I honestly don't know how it happens anymore, but let's go ahead and clean it. I'm using the hose attachment and I have it set on low. Alright, it picked everything up right away and the suction power was great even on low. And this crevice tool got around the machine and underneath it super easily. It was actually kind of satisfying to watch it picking all that up super fast. Now for this one, you're probably gonna laugh, but I even tested it on my son's Lego, not to suck them up, don't worry, but to dust them off. It works shockingly well. It gets into all those tiny corners and stud holes. It is way faster than wiping them down one by one. And the little brush attachment works great too. I was so impressed by its blowing ability. I want to run a test for you guys. So I have these two cans here, one that weighs about 7 ounces and this one weighs little over a pound. I'm going to run the machine right now on high and see if it can move these two cans. Now we're going to do a similar test for the vacuum. I have two boxes here. One is 8 ounces and the other one is 12 ounces. Let's see if the vacuum will pick them up. So once you're done vacuuming, emptying and cleaning this vacuum is honestly super easy. Here's all you have to do. First, push this little lock upward, press the little release button to pop open the dust cup. And now you can dump everything straight into the trash. And every once in a while, when the filter is looking a little too dusty, you can rotate the dust cup to unlock it and detach it from the main body. And just twist the pre-filter anti-clockwise and pull the HEPA filter out. And now you can use the little cleaning brush to knock off any dust or hair stuck to it. And if things are looking extra messy, you can go ahead and rinse the dust cup and filters with water. Just make sure everything is completely dry before putting it back together. Now, Fanttik recommends you replace the filter every 3 months. Really depends on how often you use it. But that's it guys, this is the Fanttik Slim V8. After using it on the car, around the house, the coffee bar, the Legos, this thing has officially become my quick rescue tool for everyday messes. It is tiny, lightweight, surprisingly strong, and it is perfect for quick touch-ups when you don't feel like dragging out a big shelf bag. And I also love that it works as both a vacuum and a blower, so you can really use it for vacuuming, dusting tight spots, or even inflating things on a camping trip. If you'd like to check it out, I will leave a link to it in the description box below. But that's all I got for you guys today. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please thumbs it up, consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!